ni Pinay tennis ace Alex Ayala, handa na rin ang Pinoy fans to back her up sa Philippines Women's Open bukas. Sino nga ba ang makakaharap niya? Alamin sa Agenda Weekend Report ni Zeus Valdez ng Abante.
Sa gitna ng bihirang pagkakataon na makapanood ng world-class tennis sa Pilipinas, may mahalagang paalala si Pinay tennis pride Alex Ayala para sa mga tagahanga ang tamang tennis etiquette. Sa pagsisimula ng kampanya ng World No. 49 bukas sa Philippine Women's Open, hindi lamang panalo ang nais niyang maiuwi, kundi isang maayos na tennis environment sa bansa. Matatanda ang naging usap-usapan ng maingay na crowd support sa laban ni Ayala kontra kay Alicia Parks. Patunay kung gaano ka-passionate ang mga Pilipinong tagahanga, ngunit ipinaalala ng Filipina star na sa tennis may tamang paraan ng pagsuporta.
I think just to enjoy mindfully. I think just to be respectful to the players and to try to absorb as much as you can from this experience. It doesn't happen very often here, as you know. I don't think it's ever happened before. So I think if you keep an open mind and you enjoy while doing that, that's the best thing that you can do. Yeah.
Sa kabila ng lumalaking atensyon sa kanyang pangalan, maring sinabi ni Ayala na hindi niya inaangkin ang responsibilidad ng paglago ng tennis sa bansa.
It's a very good question, and I don't think I'm the one that can say that. I'm just one person. I'm just trying to do my best with the career that I have. I'm an athlete that's doing her best to compete and doing her best to represent her country. So that really doesn't depend on me. I hope with all of this attention that tennis is getting, it will grow and more people will get into it. But that's also up to them.
Dagdag pa sa emosyon ng kanyang homestand ang isang espesyal na pagkilala, ang maisama sa isang mural kasama ang iba pang kilalang personalidad.
Well, I feel very flattered, especially being alongside so many great names. It's hard to grasp, lalo na mural. It's so out there. So I think that's a first for me. I think that's the first mural for me. So it's a new experience, it's new emotions. So I am very proud to do what I can, and so happy to be alongside all of these people.
Bubuksan ni Ayala ang kanyang kampanya laban kay Alina Cheriva, isang pamilyar na katunggali mula pa sa kanilang junior at ITF days. Huling nagkarapan dalawa noong 2020, ngunit ngayon ay mas mataas na ang antas ng laro at kumpiyansa ng Filipina star. Dala ni Ayala ang mas mataas na ranking, isang WTA 125 title, malalim na takbo sa tour events at karanasan sa Grand Slam main draw. Ngunit higit sa lahat, dala niya ang hangaring hindi lamang manalo, kundi makatulong sa paghubog ng mas maalam, mas disiplinado at mas respetadong tennis crowd sa Pilipinas. Para sa Agenda Weekend, Zeus Valdez, Abante.